In this video, we shall see how to create fields from the Object Manager page. We can click on the Object Manager tab and search for the object where we want to create our field. I want to create in the student object, so I am clicking on student, and we can click on fields and relationships, and here we can click on the new, and we can give the details. Before giving the details, we need to choose the data type of the field. There will be multiple data types that are available, and I want to show you to how to create a text data type for this field. Now I just want to get the name of the student, so I'm giving the name as a field label, and I want 100 characters to be the maximum length for the particular field. This field name is the API name. This is the other name for the API. So here in description we can give as this field is used to get the name of student. And if we want this field to be required while creating or saving the record, we can give this checkbox enabled. And if we want to eliminate duplicate values, we can click this, so that this will not allow duplicate values. For this one, I am not enabling those checkboxes, and if we want to give any default value, you can give so. And I am just clicking on next, and here in the field level security, for now I am giving the field level visibility to all the profiles, so that every user who have different profiles, every user will have different profiles, right? Everyone can access this particular field. We can click on next, and here we can see that there is something called as page layout, so that it will be visible for the particular profile by default or in the particular page. Here if we see the student object, there are no records as of now. I'm clicking on new, and here you can just see that there is only student ID, but it is not accessible for the users to edit. This is because we have selected this as a auto number, which will create a default numbering for every single user. Now I'm just canceling this. I'm selecting this page layout, and by default this will be visible if we refresh the student object, and I'm clicking on save. I'm going to refresh this particular object in the sales application, and I'm clicking on new. Here you can see that this name field is automatically populated now, which was not there in the when we haven't saved this particular field. Now I'm going to give some name. I'm giving my name, and I'm going to save this record. Here you can see that in this details tab we have all the details. This particular field is not edited, and it was auto number was type which we have selected, so it was giving the auto number for this particular record, and this is a name, and these values will be given by default. Who is the owner of this record, who has last modified this, who was the person who created this particular record. Also we can create without name also. You can see that there is a student S002 and he doesn't have name. This is because we haven't enabled the required field while creating the field.